ACCA for accounting professionals and students. Accounting professionals means qualified chartered accountant, qualified cost accountant, ICMA, or company secretary, and students of CA, IPCC, CA finalist, ICMA student, or company secretary students. तो ACCA यानी कि this is a UK Chartered Accountancy. The full form of the ACCA, the Association of Chartered Certified Accountant. ACCA is a more than 100-year-old chartered accountancy body and widely accepted all over the world, or more than 8,500 big employer available in all over the world. CA-IPCC can pass ACCA in just 1 year, and CA qualify can pass ACCA in just 6 months, and CA finalists can pass ACCA in just 9 to 12 months with LSBCA. LSBCA means London School of Business and Certified Accountants. Total number of the paper of the ACCA, 13 paper, exemption available according to qualification. Those students qualify CAIPC Group 1. They will get exemption of 3 papers. And CAIPC both group qualify without BCom. Student will get exemption of 5 papers, and BCom plus CAIPC qualified will get exemption of 6 paper, and qualify CA finalist qualified FR and SFM paper. In second group of the CA, pass in costing paper only. Out of all paper, they pass individually FR, SFM and costing paper. They will get 9 exemption out of 13 exam. And CA qualified will get exemption of 9 paper out of 13 paper. CA finalists and CA qualified will get exemption of 9 paper. Those are little bit different. CA qualify will get 9 exemption very clearly. For example, CA qualified, CIPC qualify, but qualify only 2 paper, FR and SFM, then exemption available 8 paper. If you qualify costing paper also, then exemption will be available 9 paper. Somebody qualify on 1 paper, they'll be added in 6 paper, 1 or 2 paper. 3 is a special exemption available on basis of individually qualified of CA final paper of FR, SFM and costing paper. Examination session in ACCA in the month of March, June, September and December. Maximum 4 paper. In one attempt student can appear, but we advise to the student not appear more than 2 paper in one attempt. Special offer giving by London School of Business Certified Content for CA, CIP, IPCC and CA finalists for the study of ACCA with London School of Business Certified Accountant. Benefits. I'm explaining certain benefits available from London School of Business Certified Accountant. Free registration for ACCA. Free registration means normally 89 pound is the registration fee. This time is charging 30 pound, but student not pay any registration fee of the ACCA. London School of Business Certified Accountant provided free registration of ACCA. Number two, free ACCA textbook and exam kit. These books are available estimated 64 pound per set of book, one textbook and exam book, but this discounted price is 3,750, but we providing to the student free of cost 3,750 rupees each paper. This will be special discount. Okay, to free books are available. Not only discount, free books also. Exemption in papers according to qualification 9 paper. In the last slide, I indicated how much exemption available. Maximum exemption available 9 paper according to qualification, and special scholarship up to 90,000. We have designed a special scholarship also on the basis when we have to give exemption fee to the ACCA, but certain scholarship available through London School of Business Certified Accountant. That's a special scholarship will be up to 90,000 will be available according to qualification. And discounted price for expert faculty member so that you can qualify ACCA in single attempt with very good score, and a special discounted price we also designed for CA, CA student or CA professionals. Somebody interested to take loan also, or loan is also available from your nearest bank branch. And after the registration with the ACC, after registration with the London School of Business Certified Accountant, we will issue enrollment letter. On the basis of enrollment letter, you can apply education loan also to your nearest bank also. Or loans also available. Fee of the London School of Business Certified Accountant and fee of to payable to the Association of Chartered Certified Accountant. About 90%, 80%, 90% education loan is also available from the bank. Placement assistant for best job in Big Four, International Bank and other MNCs in India and abroad. London School of Business Certified Accountant is teaching ACCA in India since 2006. A number of students qualify from LSPCA and working in Big Four, International Bank, other MNCs, India and abroad. We are providing maximum assistance for best placement to our student. For further detail, please contact to London School of Business Certified Accountant. Address, we are giving the address also, giving telephone number and WhatsApp number, email number, and website address also. And you can contact us for the detail and take the benefit of this the great given discount and benefit scholarship to the CA student and CA professional. Welcome to join London School of Business Certified Accountant. Thank you very much.